This is about Earth. It is about the things on Earth and the living things on Earth. And then you can see it. That is the sun. And it says it's 1 million times bigger than Earth. And then that's the equator, and then that's the axis. It looks like a plus. And then those are the planets. It takes 365 days for the sun to orbit the Earth to orbit the sun. And that is the atmosphere. A few satellites flying the atmosphere or above the atmosphere. And that's the aurora. And then that's the atmosphere. Meteors start to burn at that height, and then those are the sun's rays, and that's the ozone layer, and that's the average height a plane goes in the air. And those mountains, some are high. Structure of the Earth. And then you can see the layers. Inner core, that's the outer core. And then forgot what that's name is. And that's the crust. You can see it here also. The upper mantle. This is the inner core, the outer core, and then the upper layer. The volcano. And that's the crust. Then it just pumps up and then makes a volcano. It comes from burned rocks. Those are moving Earth. And then those are the plates. That's an urban plate. Here, tiny one, that's the African. Yeah. Philippines plate. The Jundi Futra plate. Then the Pacific plate. The Indo-Australia plate. And the Antarctic plate. You can see the rest. South American plate. And then the Caribbean plate. And then when two plates move together, they make an earthquake. And that's what the cracks are. They're the moving plates. They're the mountains. This is Israel, Nevada. The height is 4,418 meters and 14,494. It's in USA. And that's a fold mountain, and that's a fold block mountain. That's a dome mountain. The name is Fighting Dome. It's 1,465 meters and 4,806 feet. It's in France. That's name is the Mayas, and one of them is Mount Everest. The height The tallest one is 8,848 meters or 29,029 feet. Then is Mount Madro. It is height 5,898 meters